Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn add React to a website. It's a web page. What are the web applications are using existing? By integrating the React script to, we can avail of that React components and write all the functionalities of the ReactJS functionalities. Now we will see step by step. We'll see step-by-step procedure how to add ReactJS. It's it will take only a single minute to add it. Before that, I will give you a few details about it. React has been designed from the start for gradual adoption, and you can use a little or as much React as you need. Perhaps only want to do some sprinkles interactivity or one simple component, like you can add it, or else few lines you need to add somewhere else, you want to some box only, you can use that ReactJS components. That is also possible in React to interacting with the website or web pages. Okay, in this section we will show you how to add React component to an existing HTML page, where you can follow along the step-by-steps, and whereas you are integrated earlier website, this is also possible. Okay, we'll see step by step. That first step, it is adding a DOM container to the HTML page. Yeah, first we will add DOM object. See here, the DOM objects and all are available. The DOM object I am adding here, and adding the script tags which we are involving to collecting this by utilizing loading of the React. See here, the detailed brief description is available over here. Load React, I am telling that load React when deploying, replace development.js instead with this one, development.js. This is the development I am showing this with my local system only, where I am developing. If it is in a production, you need to replace this production.min.js with these two, development and development.js dot. Okay, rest of the things we will explain you in clear details in further sessions. Yeah, in this session we will see how to integrate that scripts of ReactJS, and how to run one component of ReactJS for an example, for the completion of the successfully running it by understanding that installation of invoking that particular scripts. Okay, now we need to I call it as for component of React component. For that I am preparing, these all are ready-madely available. Okay, you find out reactjs.org, where you will find out all the things, the stuff. I am clearly step by step only, guidelines only I am explaining you in detail. Yeah, for the purpose here I am script like button.js I am invoking to load our React components, where we have written here, see, like button.js React component is here. Okay, we need to save it on our this here. Yep. Okay, the file is saved. Okay, and now I'm refreshing here. Like, clicked, you like this item, see, we have invoked this on HTML page. See here, I'll give you the details explanation. The div tag, as usually at all you know that in HTML div tag, right ID I'm taking as a like button is a container. Okay, and here the scripts of the ReactJS we are calling. It's require internet connection. This is where we are using HTTPS, that live tracking, live connection, or else you need to download these two files and integrate it locally, and you specify the path, that then also it will works perfectly. Okay, and see here the script like underscore button.js, the script where here is it is created the file, and here it is creating a React element like button. It extends that component, the constructor props super, this is the title, it's defaultly false. Render, there is a default function which is available for rendering such things. If it is clicked liked, you are liked, this message is returning here. On click, see here state it's in a true. If it is in a true, then it will go to this is like this. Okay, the step by step will give you in a further sessions all clear details. See, if I refreshed, yeah, it is clicked. This portion only, this portion, this particular liked button portion only render from the server, and it will gives us a response to here the output. In this code defines React component called like button especially. Don't worry if you don't understand it yet. We'll cover you building blocks React later on our tutorial, completely the step by step with the hands-ons and more stuff we will provide you. That's all. There is no stop for you to write such things. You have just added the first React component to your website or web page successfully. This is how we will interact with the React components and React JS which are involving to our web application as well as web pages. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views. Please support us. Thank you.